Hello, I'm Vishwa Gulati and I welcome you all to Flipkart. Today I will be reviewing the Panasonic 584 liters side-by-side refrigerator. It comes with a stainless steel finish and the voltage range of this fridge is 100 to 300 volts. Looks like Panasonic has equipped this fridge with some classy features from basic to really advanced ones. It comes with a feather touch control panel that adapts to your needs. Be it controlling temperature, making ice faster or energy saving, everything happens with just one touch. Based on that and more, this fridge is one of the most sought after products in the market right now. So let's move ahead and understand its features in detail one by one. Friends, different food items require different temperature setting and levels of humidity for optimum cooling. Following that, Panasonic has equipped an advanced cooling system in this refrigerator. This mechanism uses an independent airflow technique for refrigerator and freezer compartment but cools them simultaneously, thus maintaining an optimum temperature and humidity level in each compartment, keeping food fresh for longer period of time. Moving on, it also comes with a touch control panel with an LED display. It allows you to minutely control and set the cooling and freezing temperature independently without any effect on the outside environment. Now let's check out this refrigerator from the inside. Further, this refrigerator has something called a double vegetable box. It comes with a jumbo storage for vegetables with two separate 23-liter and 12-liter compartments. It also gives you a 20% extra storage space so that you can stuff your fridge with all your favorite fruits and vegetables without thinking twice. Let's check it out. This fridge is also quite capable of cooling and freezing quite quickly. The cooling system, once activated, works in maximum load state, dropping the cabinet temperature from 32 degrees to 5 degrees within just 180 minutes. This mode even quickens freezing and reaches minus 18 degrees from 32 degrees within just 200 minutes. Isn't that cool? Now moving on, this range of Panasonic refrigerators comes with extra toughened glass shelves that are designed and tested to hold great amount of weight, so that you can keep large vegetables without any worries. It can even hold dishes prepared in heavy pots and pans to keep them cool and fresh for long. The freezer comes with a triple twist ice tray. You only have to twist the knob to drop the cubes in the ice box. Further, it is also detachable so that you can easily take it out whenever you need more space. If you look inside the refrigerator, you will see energy-saving LED lights. The clear and elegant LED lighting bulbs brightly illuminate the interior from 3 directions, making items clearly visible. LED lamps have a huge lifespan and allow big energy savings than conventional lamps. So your midnight cravings come with huge midnight savings. This fridge also comes with a vacation mode. So when you're away and the fridge cabinet is not being used, this mode switches off the fridge cabinet and automatically sets a lower freezer temperature to keep the frozen food inside the freezer fresh. Let's check it out. Panasonic has made sure that you enjoy full peace of mind during the course of this fridge's operation. What I mean is that it comes with a 10-year compressor and a 1-year comprehensive warranty. So friends, I think your painful search for a perfect cooling companion ends with this Panasonic refrigerator. It's hands down a powerful cooling machine that'll become an ideal help for your family in no time. So go ahead and buy it without any second thoughts on Flipkart, because here you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo and a short brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family now. Thanks for watching and have a perfect buy.